This is a 2008 Geometry SOL, question number 6. Lines L, M, and N are intersected by transversal T. The measures of some of the angles that are formed are shown. Which of the following statements about lines L, M, and N must be true? Well, the first thing I'm going to want to do is determine all of my vertical angles. Since I'm given some of the angles, I can say, okay, this angle is 132 degrees because those two spots are vertical. I can do the same thing here and then the same thing in this location. So I've determined those three missing angles. Now to find the other missing angles, I'm going to use properties of linear pair angles. Now up in here where line L is, I'm going to do 180 degrees minus 132 degrees. When I do that subtraction, I come up with 48 degrees. That's going to be this angle right here because 48 plus 132 is 180 degrees. Now, this angle right here is also 48 degrees. Using the same process, now I'm going to take a look where line M is, and I'm going to do 180 degrees minus 46 degrees, and that's going to give me 134 degrees. So this angle right in here is 134 degrees, as is this one. And then lastly, I'm going to take a look at line N and transversal T. And for that spot, I'm going to have 180 degrees minus 48 degrees, and that's going to give me 132. So this location is 132 degrees, and this angle right here is also 132 degrees. Now, what I want to take a look at is which of the following statements about L, M, and N must be true. If I take a look at lines L and line N, one of the things that I want to notice about those two spots is that I could take one of them and put it directly on top of the other, and they would match up identically. Now, what that tells me is that lines L and N are parallel. I could not do that with line M in either one of those two lines. So the only choice that makes sense for which of the following statements about line L, M, and N must be true is that L and N are parallel only. Choice H.